Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got this grown woman hair for y'all. I feel like a 90s housewife, a black one who gets her hair done every 2 weeks. That's who I feel like. A healthy, good silk press. So shout out to Yolissa Hair for sending me this unit today and sponsoring this video because you see it. Ooh, this is the grown woman hair for today. I had to get up in your face so you could really get into everything. I don't got no baby hair. It's giving silk press. If you like what you see, you want to get you some grown woman hair, stay tuned and keep on watching. We can get on into it.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
Let's get to it, y'all. Today, Celsius is Fuji apple pear. Oh, done fed my shirt a little bit. Today's unit is coming from Yolissa Hair. This unit is fully pre-plucked, so I mean, like, that's wild. And like, not the fake way. Like, this is like definitely install the box ready. Curls in the back. I'm gonna end up cutting it a little bit, so I don't know how I'm gonna do these curls just yet, but I really want to have like grown woman vibe. That's the inspo for today. So we got these curls already in, so that'll help me out a lot with the process, but I'm gonna go through and like really make sure each section is really curled, and I'm gonna cut it. Damn, the Celsius beat my ass already. Of course, when you order a wig, you'll get your wig cap, a pair of lashes, an elastic band, and an edge brush. I like these boxes when they send them. Like, these boxes can be used for so many different things after you get your wig. I know it's like, it's very minuscule. You just paid a bunch of money for a wig. You like, what the fuck do I care about a box? But like, this is a good box, y'all. I believe this unit is 14 inches. I don't think I really want it to be that long. So let's see what it's looking like when we just throw it on. It does come with an elastic band in the inside, and the cap construction is a full 13 by 4 frontal all the way around. I'm just gonna brush out this unit as well. Really quick, let's just cut the unit before I put it on so that I can put on the mannequin head and not have the back of my head looking ridiculous, you know? This is cute though, y'all. This is out the box. And this will be good for somebody out there who don't mind they wig looking like out the box, because this don't look bad. I mean, just put on a wig, a human hair unit, curl, pre-plucked, just throw it on, install it, and go. Like, what's better than that, honestly? So a moment of silence for the unit as it is, as it came, with the curls and everything. About to judge it up. Okay, y'all, here it goes. Okay, I'm thinking like right here would be good. It's still not short enough, but I'm gonna just wait to cut it some more until I add my layers and such. And once the curls are in, like, it'll give like a whole different effect. Like, that's cute, but I want it just like a little shorter, because like it's already curled a little bit, so I can kind of see what it's gonna do. I want it to be like sitting right above my shoulders. And I'm gonna go in and put this on a mannequin head. So I went ahead and threw it on a mannequin head, and as you can see, it's a bit lopsided. So I went ahead and fixed that up. And then after I made it even, I'm just adding some layers in to match the whole effect I'm going for. I recommend you watch a licensed cosmetologist show you how to cut some hair, because I'm not the girl with the plan. I just do a little bit what I see, and I try to emulate that. A little bit of point cutting here and there. That's all I got. I'm good for a good point and cut. But while I had this on a mannequin head, I strongly encourage you to go look up how to do a layer by licensed cosmetologists. They have so many videos online. They are extremely helpful to me, and they're the only way I know how to do it, and I barely be doing it. So don't look to me. I'm just here to show you how to put on a wig and curl the wig. So I'm curling the wig using my Conair curling iron, going in and just curling the hair inward. And then once that's curled, going in with a pin to secure it. I'm just curling the back of the head. I'm going to leave the frontal out so that I can curl the unit on the head. Once the back of your head is curled, so something like this. I left my frontal out because I still got to install. So let's throw the unit on now. Boho's been that girl for me lately. I need to try more of their other products, but I'm using Boho today. I'm going to cut my ear tabs out first. I'm going to wait till the wig is actually on, because these full 13 by 4 frontals have kind of been having me fucked up. Using my blow dryer on the warm setting to lay this all down. And like I said before, I'm going to be getting rid of some of this front area, so don't worry if it's not sticking because it's gonna get going anyway. Now let me go ahead and cut out these ear tabs and get this lace on. Okay, ear tabs is out, ears out, the wig is fitting. So let's hope we cut off this little excess. Let's just go in, and that looks already way better. Just get off this extra lace. I'm just cut it straight across. And then worry about the excess. I gotta, boom. Well, that looks good, y'all. That's cute. I'm gonna use this braid even because I think I need some hold more than I need the lace to melt. So, cause the lace is melted. So let's go on with this. I just want to take a second to say, if you're not following me on TikTok already, please do. Your girl is working really hard to try to be more consistent on other platforms than YouTube. So starting with TikTok, please look out for TikTok. Every time you see a YouTube video, it should be a TikTok. I'm gonna let y'all know right now that's the standard I'm saying. So please follow me on TikTok, Beauty via JaLeah, and I'll be doing a lot more content on there. If you made it this far in the video, leave me a like. It's giving silk press. I'm not doing no baby hair, actually. It's giving very much silk press. Let me just get rid of this middle part real quick before I put my elastic band on. Okay, let's put on our scarf. Let's let this lace marinate while we go ahead and curl a little bit of Sebastian Shaper Plus. That's gonna be a good curl, I know. Sebastian Shaper, curling backwards. I'm really excited to take these down, actually. I really hope it's like big grown woman hair, cause that's what I'm looking for. I'm gonna throw on my lashes really quick because I didn't yet. I'll be right back. This is the moment to say I haven't had no lashes on this whole time. These are just my lashes with some mascara. Don't leave me, baby. I love you so. Don't leave me, don't leave me. Don't go. I'm gonna get back to that as soon as I start to put these clips down. But let's take off this scarf. Been like that. Like swoop the sides. I'm gonna repeat on the other side and then I'll come back with final thoughts. All right, this is the final, some grown woman hair, some good old-fashioned grown woman hair. Oh, and then really quick for these sideburns, just so they look a little more natural, I'm just gonna raise them up a little bit. I'm sitting here feeling myself. I got to go. So thank y'all so much for watching. This is the grown woman hair for today. I just wanted some really grown, like grown and sexy. This is what the back looking like. I think I did good on the layers. I wish I would have cut more layers in the little bang part, but because I gotta go, this is the grown woman hair for today. Shout out to everybody. I have fun and I gotta go, y'all. I got Friendsgiving to go to, so I'm about to head on to that and, you know, give them the best green beans they ever had. Thank y'all so much for watching. It's been so real. I like the hair a lot. And shout out to Yolissa Hair for sending me this unit and sponsoring today's video. This is the grown woman hair. Silk press grown woman hair. Hope y'all enjoy. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, beautiful.